if the sky was the limit and AI was in a position to kind of help you address some of these challenges, especially the biggest ones that you've identified, what would you want?
That's a loaded question. And I would say, yeah, it is, man. Holy cow. It's systematically, Scott, I would say if we're the foot soldiers, we're actually the ones in battle. If we were given the option of, hey, what do you all need? That would be a lot, because I think as teachers, we're all a little bit different. In general, if we're just blanketing it, and we touched on this, just to have, an AI specialist come in.
Mm-hmm.
Recently, we've had, since COVID, in 3 to 4 weeks, we were given this online platform. Put your entire class on this. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Mm-hmm.
And we made it happen. But that wasn't without this amazing tech support lady that we have at our school right now. And I think there was 1 or 2 of them that in a moment's notice, I don't know what to do. And they were on call for it.
Mm-hmm.
I think specifically in staying in the special education world, if there was AI specialists for special education that would come in and say, hey, listen, I know it's chaos. I know it's panic. I'm here to help you with that.
Mm-hmm.
Dan, what are your immediate needs? That would be amazing.
Could AI actually do that? Like in other words, an AI interviews you essentially, and so you basically take time to sort of expand on where you need support, where you need help, as do your colleagues, so that there's some systematic way across the district of saying, this is what, almost like an interactive survey led by AI that helps you drill into some of the pain points.
I'm going to add one more caveat to that. Yes, you're right. I would say yes, there's a way that would do it. But what do you think that involves, Makoto and Scott? More of my what?
More of your time?
Time. That's my time.
That you don't have. Yeah.
Okay, where are you taking me
Is this a
from?
quiz? I'm not good with pop quizzes.
Yeah.
Where are you taking? Okay, you want me to? You're asking me to teach 5 lessons a day, 5 periods a day. You're giving me a prep period. That's great. And I will say most teachers on their prep period almost use it to exhale, not to work more.
Right.
Because
that's a great point.
And so you could do, and I think this would be great, I think you could do really quality, organized professional developments. Mm-hmm. And if you're asking me for the world, it would say, okay, we're going to do a professional development AI for history, math, English, special education. And you're going to go to your pop-out and you're going to spend 6 days this year going to an AI specialist so that hopefully next year you can start implementing those practices. Anything less than that is just going to be, oh, here's another one of these things they're pushing on us.
Yeah.
As opposed to, this is how it can really help you. And again, it lessens that chaos and that panic. It hasn't happened yet, but I don't know if the alarm bells are ringing yet at the schools. And I don't want to push panic. I think that's maybe a strange word, but you're going to get the graduates, the kids that just graduated in 2025, the May or June of 2025. When they go into whether it's college or community college, are the colleges and community colleges, universities using AI? I don't know the answer. Mm-hmm. If they are, then what did we do to prepare them for that at the high school level? And if we're using it at the high school level, what are they doing at the middle school, the elementary? Yeah. I mean, you see that's what I mean. It's this tsunami coming in of like, uh-oh.
I'm curious. In video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company Impact, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore, and how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.